How's it going? My name is Brad. I was an electrical engineer intern with DAQAstra this past summer, and I'm going to walk you through the quality control test bench that I built for our DAQAstra devices. To get started for testing, we'll connect our Ethernet cable, our I2C test device, our SPI test devices, and finally the test harness. Next, we'll connect to the tester board and the device under test in the interface. Now that the DAQs are connected, we can run our quality control. The purpose of the quality control is to run tests on our device to make sure that all the inputs and outputs work as expected, so our customers can have a seamless experience when the DAQ board arrives, and they can get right started with work. I had a great time working at DAQAstra this past summer, and using the DAQ boards was super intuitive and easy. Look forward to continuing work here and beyond. I'll cut that last part.